Hi guys, I'm here with Jo from Jigsaw Tax and Accounting. As we're heading towards the end of financial year period, I thought we'd invite Jo down to give us some helpful hints on what we should do leading into tax time. So Jo, how are you?
Good, thanks Heidi. How are you?
Good. I'm really well, thanks.
That's good.
Thanks for coming in.
No problem.
Jo, a question we quite often get asked is what do I need to take with me to the accountants? And we, get people saying to us, what paperwork do we give them as the agent, and then what paperwork do they need as the owners of the property? So I thought maybe you could spend a minute and tell us what we should all collate and bring to you.
Sure thing. Okay, so the first thing is I always just take the statement from your agent. Like, that's very important. That has a lot of information on it that we need. So we need to know how much rent you've earned for the year. That's on that statement.
Yep.
What commissions you've paid, any repairs and maintenance, or any of those deductions that have come out of your rent through the agent.
Sure.
But then there's other things that we need as well. The most important thing is your interest on your mortgage that you've got, assuming you have a mortgage.
Yes.
That is really, really important. Then anything else you might have paid that may not have gone through there. So it's things like insurance, maybe council rates, water rates, potentially you might have paid for some repairs and maintenance or improvements.
Yes.
With those, we really like to know when you paid for them and what they are.
Sure.
So the more information we have, the better. My suggestion is, if you're not sure, bring it. We can't guess what you might have done, but we can certainly tell you, we can't claim that. So always bring more information than you need.
They're not enough.
Exactly.
Yeah.
One of the other things, if you happen to be new at having bought a new property this year, it would be really good if you could bring your settlement statement with you from the lawyer, because there's some things in there that are important, such as that you would have paid some council rates usually at settlement and things like that.
The adjustment.
So things like that are important. The other thing that's really helpful is if you have got a depreciation schedule through a company like BMT or any of those, bring them along too. So if your agent's already been doing your tax for a while, they probably know those details, but if you're not sure, just bring it along anyway. Yeah,
that's a great idea. So council rates, water rates, repairs that may have exceeded the agent's approval limit that you paid for yourself.
Yeah.
And then obviously your statement, your end of financial year statement you get from your agent.
Yeah.
And bank statements, I suppose, they'll be showing what your mortgage repayments are and then a breakdown of the interest.
Yeah, like usually you'll find most loans have on the bottom of the statement the interest paid for the year. And so if that's all it is, that's fine. But the more information we have, the better. We can have a look through it and pick out what we need.
Beautiful. So if you love your files and your paperwork, take it all to Jo at Jigsaw Tax and Accounting. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.